Hello everyone, in the today's video we are going to cover Alexander Pope. Some fact about his life and notable work through MCQs and with analysis. So let's start. These are some notable books. Question number 1. When was Alexander Pope born? 1681, 1690, 1688, 1692. Correct answer option number C, 1688. Born in London, 21st of May in England. Next, Alexander Pope belonged to which century? Early 18th century, late 18th century, early 19th century, late 19th century. Correct answer option number A, early 18th century. Pope's The Dunciad comprises of 1 book, 2 books, 3 books, 6 books. Correct answer option number C, 3 books in The Dunciad. Dunciad is a landmark mock heroic narrative poem. Next question. Which type of poetry Alexander Pope is best known for? Historical, satirical and discursive type of poetry, heroic, free verse. Correct answer option number B, satirical and discursive type of poetry. Pope is considered a master of heroic couplet, free verse, historical, rhyme royal. Correct answer option number A, heroic couplet. He is a master of. Alexander Pope, born on 21st of May 1688, died 30 May 1744 at the age of 56. Resting place St. Mary's Church and Middlesex. Occupation poet, writer and translator. Notable work The Dunciad, Rape of the Lock and Asion Criticism. He translation of Homer's Iliad and Odyssey. Next question. Pope's major translation work. Iliad, Odyssey, both A and B, none of above. Correct answer option number C, both A and B. Iliad and Odyssey translated by Alexander Pope. Rape of the Lock is a dash type of poem. Heroic couplet, satirical, rhyme royal, mock heroic. Correct answer option number D, mock heroic. Published in 1712. To err is human, to forgive divine. The above quote is taken from which work of the Pope? An Essay on Criticism, The Dunciad, Pastorals, The Rape of the Lock. Correct answer option number A, An Essay on Criticism. Alexander Pope belongs to which period? Modern, Augustan, Victorian, Georgian. Correct answer option number B, Augustan period. Augustan age is also known as the Renaissance period, New Classical period, Old English, Middle English period. Correct answer option number B, New Classical period. New Classical literature was written between 1660 to 1798. This age is also known as Age of Reason. First major poetic work of Alexander Pope, An Essay on Criticism, The Pastorals, The Dunciad, An Essay on Man. Correct answer option number B, The Pastorals. Pastorals published 1709. It's a Pope's first major work. When was An Essay on Criticism published? 1721, 1711, 1718, 1709. Correct answer option number B, 1711. Written by Alexander Pope. Pope was a member of which reputed club of Augustan age? Bloomsbury Group, English Literary Club, University Wits, Scribblers Club. Correct answer option number D, Scribblers Club. Founded in 1714. Who wrote Ode on Solitude? Alexander Pope, Jonathan Swift, Thomas Parnell, John Gay. Correct answer option number A, Alexander Pope wrote Ode on Solitude. It is a poem. Next, when did Alexander Pope die? 1746, 1744, 1748, 1740. Correct answer option number B, 1744. Next, when was Essay on Man published? 1724 to 25, 1736 to 37, 1732 31, 1733 to 34. Correct answer Option number D, 1733 to 34. An essay on man published, contained very deep and well thought out of the philosophical idea. To whom Alexander Pope dedicated his An Essay on Man? Henry St. John, Henry Ford, John Ford, John St. John. Correct answer, option number A, Henry St. John. An Essay on Man dedicated by Alexander Pope. Vindicate the Ways of God to Man is taken from which poem of Pope? An Essay on Man, The Dunciad, The Rape of the Lock, An Essay on Criticism. Correct answer, option number A, An Essay on Man. Who is addressed by Pope in the poem Epistle to Dr. Arbuthnot? John Arbuthnot, Sam Arbuthnot, Jack Arbuthnot, Jill Arbuthnot. Correct answer, option number A, John Arbuthnot. Which famous poem was written by Pope at the age of 12? Messiah, Ode on Solitude, The Temple of Fame, Alisa to Abelard. Correct answer, option number B, Ode on Solitude. Written by Pope at the age of 12 in the year of 1700. When was Pope's The Works of Mr. William Shakespeare published? 1730, 1735, 1725, 1740. Correct answer, option number C, 1725. The Works of Mr. William Shakespeare published. The Works of Mr. William Shakespeare has total dash volume 6, 7, 8, 9. Correct answer, option number A, total 6 volume in Works of Mr. William Shakespeare. What type of work moral essays is? Essays, poem, plays, novels. Correct answer, option number B, poems. Moral essay is a poem published between 1731 to 1735. How many poems are included in moral essays? 5, 3, 6, 4. Correct answer, option number D, total 4 poems are included in moral essays. Which of the following work is not written by Alexander Pope? The Dunciad, The Rape of the Lock, An Essay on Criticism, Paradise Lost. Correct answer, option number D, Paradise Lost. Written by Milton. It is an epic poem in a blank words. Which of the following poem of Pope was translated into Latin by Samuel Johnson? Messiah, Ode on Solitude, The Temple of Fame, Alisa to Abelard. Correct answer, option number A, Messiah. Messiah written in 1712 and translated into Latin in December 1728 by Samuel Johnson. So now we move on to at the end of this session. So like, share and subscribe my channel. I hope you like this video, and if you have any query then you can write me in a comment box below. That's it for today. See you soon for the next video. Till then, bye.